Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Prepare yourself for this SHIB price prediction because Shiba Inu coin may blow out tomorrow. As SHIB continues to recover its losses from the significant cryptocurrency crashes in the past month, Shiba Inu has jumped a staggering 50% in the previous week. SHIB has subsequently eliminated another zero on its path to recovery after plunging to a low of 0.789 on June 19th. And it has now increased by 53% during the last 7 days. We'll discuss the Shiba Inu coin and how it might blow up tomorrow in this video. Watch out for this SHIB price forecast. To view our most recent content on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get the video started right now. On June 30th, let's see what Shiba Inu is up to. Bears were successful in pushing the price of Bitcoin below the $20,000 level, but hopes of a recovery in the cryptocurrency market continued to wane. According to CoinMarketCap data, the overall cryptocurrency market capitalization was $884 billion after declining 4% over the previous day. Ethereum was trading barely over the crucial $1,000 mark, down 6.7%. with gains ranging from 1% to 4% throughout the same time frame. Unis set Leo, 0 times, and Shiba Inu coin were the top cap cryptocurrencies. And key test has still passed for the theory that the cryptocurrency market might recover from its highs from the previous week. This also holds true for altcoins, whose total capitalization is currently close to all-time lows, and Bitcoin, with its lengthy test of $122,000. Despite showing signs of strength in recent days, Shiba Inu was nevertheless in danger of suffering further losses in the beginning of 2018. Further losses were suggested by a falling triangle chart that was the outcome of lower highs and almost equal lows. Bulls have been forced to sell as a result of the bears' downward pressure, which has caused the price to tumble to the lowest level of 0.70 recorded in October 2021. The SHIB price subsequently bounced back to 0.12 before pulling back to the descending triangle's horizontal moving line at 0.96 for support. At the time of writing, this level was facing another attack after surviving two in the recent past. The level might not hold for a rebound this time, though, given the bearish triangle's shape and the dollar's ongoing gain. The price strength at 39 indicates that the bears have the will and the motivation to start another run lower, and the relative strength index, RSI, is trending lower toward the oversold area. Therefore, traders could anticipate a decline toward 0.00008 if the bears are able to break through the 0.96 mark. A further drop towards 0.767 would raise the overall losses to 22% after the first 18% losses. The local bottom would most likely develop here, providing late investors with an opportunity to purchase Shiba Inus or build up further. On the plus side, if macroeconomic issues become less prominent and the moving average convergence divergence (MACD) indicator keeps rising into the positive region, it could create a catalyst for a surge in the price of SHIB. In this scenario, bulls might swiftly reach 0.163, where the 50-day simple moving average, SMA, is now located, and recapture 0.10. This would merely be a rematch of Tuesday's defeats. The beginning of an uptrend would be confirmed by a breach of the 0.128 level on another move higher. Crypto data analysis business Intel the Block's on-chain data confirmed the significance of regaining the 0.10 psychological level. According to its in or out of the money around price, IOMAP model, 126,000 addresses previously purchased about 1.42 trillion SHIB at this price. Therefore, this group of investors, who might be trying to boost their chances of making money, will support any efforts to push SHIB beyond this level. SHIB has stayed 10% higher over the last 30 days, despite the Shiba Inu price rising 53% over the last 7 days. It is currently trading at a level similar to where SHIB dropped during the significant Luna cryptocurrency crash in early May. Following the market as a whole, SHIB fell even further as a result of consecutive falls throughout this bear market. SHIB, however, outperformed the majority of other cryptocurrencies of its size in the last week, breaking off from the broader crypto trends. SHIB is the 9th best performing cryptocurrency during the last week out of the top 100. Nonetheless, out of the top 15 cryptocurrencies, it performs the best. The price behavior of SHIB is most similar to Dogecoin's 36% comeback. The trading volume of shibainu has also been affected by this increase. SHIB's 24-hour volume reached $2 billion on its first peak. Since then, it has dropped to about $800 million, which is still 150% more what it was a week ago. BILLIONAIRE and Liege, the other two tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, are up 41% and 46%, respectively. As the Shiba Inu team prepares for the Sharium Layer 2 beta and eventual launch, Shiba Inu's price action has also arrived, coinciding with the widespread cryptocurrency recovery and significant whale activity. Instead of minting additional tokens before the Sharium Layer 2 launch, the current Shiba Inu DAO vote is overwhelmingly in favor of stopping BONE payouts. Since BONE is Sharium's gas token, the SHIB team proposed solutions that would give Sharium validators BONE rewards, with DAO having the last word. With 98% of votes currently in favor of stopping awards, the vote's outcome appears to be certain. The Shiba team described how BONE would fit into the Sharium Layer 2 in a blog post about BONE farming. It stated that validators receive compensation in BONE for their efforts. We need to protect a total of 20 million BONE in order to build Sharium and reserve BONE for validator positions. 20 million BONE is currently worth about $8.7 million. Only 250 million BONE are scheduled for release, therefore this accounts for about 8% of the total supply. But this BONE is not owned by the SHIB team. This implies that in order to reserve this 20 million BONE, they have to speak with the DAO. There were just two options available. At 230 million, Option A called for stopping BONE farming and reserving the remaining funds for Sharium validators. Option B would spend the additional $20 million for Sharium and raise the BONE maximum to 270 million. It appears like the DAO members will select Option A and stop offering Sharium BONE shibaswap incentives once the voting period opened on June 19. About 29 million BONE have voted for Option A 2 days into the voting process. At the same time, only 557,000 BONE support Option B, with 98% of the vote going in favor of Option A. This is a resounding victory. Some holders draw a comparison between the overminting idea and government's capacity to issue money. In the Bitcoin community, these inflationary strategies are very contentious. In fact, some even question the BONE contract, asking how this overminting process could have occurred. Similar to why SHIB burners desire to restrict the Shiba supply, some believe that a lesser supply will benefit their own holdings and the price of BONE. BONE incentives on Sharium will end shortly if the vote is approved. The minted BONE is currently at 225 million, only 5 million below the suggested ceiling. Instead of 2 years with the initial cap, the Shiba team stated that this could occur in the upcoming weeks. This year's April 8th marked the launch of the Shiba Inu Coin Burn Portal, or SHIB Burn. The portal began monitoring the SHIB token burn. These coins were deemed burned and eliminated from circulation once they were sent to deceased wallets. Owners of torched SHIB would receive 0.49% of all Ryoshi transactions through the portal, which was created in collaboration with developers of Ryoshi's Vision token. Overnight, the burn rate increased by 93.95%, resulting in the destruction of 28.84 million Shiba Inu coins. Burned and removed from circulation are 410.37 trillion Shiba Inu coins. After a challenging 2022 thus far, analysts note that the cryptocurrency markets have entered a bear market. A market that has lost more than 20% of its value in a single year is referred to as a bear market. Shiba Inu keeps adding thousands of holders, which is still a sign of success in the long run. There are presently 1,176,325 SHIB holders overall, according to Whale Stats. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. The meaning has not changed despite the correction of all grammatical faults.